Today I'm sharing a very easy and a very simple rice pudding recipe that I'm making in a slow cooker. It is basically a dump and go recipe that is so easy to make and so tasty that will leave your taste bud asking for more. So without further delay, let's get started with the recipe. For this recipe, you will need half cup basmati rice, we are going to wash the rice thoroughly and add it to a slow cooker. Next, we are going to add 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks. You can also add cinnamon powder if you want. Next, we are going to add 3 cups of whole milk or full fat milk. We are going to add raisins next. Here I'm adding 2 tablespoons of raisins, but feel free to increase or decrease the amount of raisins depending on your preference. We are going to give it a mix, turn the slow cooker on high and cover it with a lid. We will let it cook for 2 to 2.5 hours and then we will check on it. After an hour and a half, I'm checking on it. It's looking so good, smells amazing. I'm going to give it a nice mix so it does not get stuck at the bottom of the slow cooker. You can see here the mixture has started to thicken and it looks so good already. I'm going to cover it with a lid now and let it cook for another hour or so. While it's cooking, I'm going to go on an errand and we'll be back soon and I will check on it then. It's been almost an hour now and I'm checking on it. The mixture looks so good. It's so thick. It needs more milk, so I'm going to add 2 cups of milk. I'm going to mix it well and cover it with a lid and let it cook for around 50 to 55 minutes. As soon as the rice pudding comes to a boil, turn off the slow cooker and let it come to room temperature. It's been 55 minutes and I can see that the rice pudding has already come to a simmer, so now I'm going to turn off the slow cooker and let it cool. The pudding has cooled a bit and still warm, but you can see it's so thick, it smells amazing, and I can't wait to try it. We're going to add half teaspoon of cinnamon powder and give it a nice mix. Next, I'm adding 1/4 cup of walnuts. Feel free to use any nuts of your choice. Looks so good, so thick and creamy. I can't wait to try it. But before we try it, we have to add the sweetener. So here you can add sweetener of your choice. You can add brown sugar. Brown sugar and jaggery works the best, but I didn't have any on hand today, so I'm using honey. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of honey, and obviously you can add more if you want. If you're watching your sugar intake, you can also use monk fruit or stevia. I'm going to garnish it with cinnamon powder and some sliced almonds. And that's it. Delicious rice pudding is ready. You can enjoy this warm, cold, or at room temperature. So thick and creamy. I hope you give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, then please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.